Did you know that nearly 50 million people in the United States have some form of hearing loss? And by 2060, that number is projected to reach nearly 75 million. This could be your reality today, in a few years, or even for someone in your family. That's why it's important to understand the three main types of hearing loss, their causes, prevention, and treatment. So, stick around until the end of this video, because I'll be sharing valuable information that can make a difference in your life and the lives of your loved ones. Hi dear wellness warriors, this is Rick. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications to receive more content like this. Now, let's dive into learning about the three types of hearing loss. Before we discuss the three types of hearing loss, let's gain a basic understanding of the auditory structure. The ear is divided into three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. I'll explain each of them in simple terms so that everyone can follow along. The outer ear is the visible part of the ear and includes the ear and the ear canal. The ear helps capture sounds from the surrounding environment. Sound enters through the ear canal and reaches the eardrum, a thin membrane that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. The middle ear is located just behind the eardrum and consists of three small bones called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These ossicles are responsible for transmitting sound vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. They function as a kind of bridge that carries sound forward. The inner ear is the innermost and most delicate part of the ear. It contains the cochlea, a snail-shaped structure responsible for transforming sound vibrations into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted by the auditory nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as sounds. Types of hearing loss. Now that we understand the structure of the ear, let's explore the three main types of hearing loss: sensorineural hearing loss, conductive hearing loss, and mixed hearing loss. The first type is sensorineural hearing loss. It is the most common and occurs due to damage to the structures of the inner ear or the auditory nerve. The primary causes include aging, exposure to loud noises, injuries, infections, certain medications, and genetic conditions. Unfortunately, this type of hearing loss is often permanent. However, there are measures that can be taken to prevent or mitigate its effects. To prevent sensorineural hearing loss, it's crucial to avoid prolonged exposure to loud noises and use hearing protection, such as earplugs, in noisy environments. Additionally, regular hearing exams and adopting a healthy lifestyle to reduce risks are important. In terms of treatment, hearing aids are widely used to improve hearing ability and provide a better quality of life. The second type is conductive hearing loss. In this case, obstructions or problems in the sound conduction system prevent sound waves from reaching the inner ear. One of the main causes is the buildup of earwax in the ear canal, which can be easily removed by a hearing healthcare professional. Preventing conductive hearing loss involves simple care, such as maintaining proper ear hygiene and avoiding the use of sharp objects to clean the ear canal. In cases of ear infections or perforated eardrums, seeking appropriate medical treatment is essential. With the correct treatment, many cases of conductive hearing loss can be reversed or successfully treated. The third type is mixed hearing loss, which is a combination of sensorineural and conductive hearing loss. In this case, there are problems both in the sound conduction system and in the processing of sound in the inner ear. The causes can vary, ranging from traumatic injuries to specific medical conditions. Preventing mixed hearing loss involves similar measures to the other types, such as avoiding exposure to loud noises and adopting a routine of hearing care. Treatment may require a combined approach, such as the use of hearing aids, surgical interventions, or specific medical treatments, depending on individual causes. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Remember to like this content, share it with your family, and leave your questions in the comments. Preventing and treating hearing loss are essential to ensure a life with quality sound. Take care of your hearing, take care of yourself. See you in the next video.